San Francisco the last couple of days, so I'm going to take the nice sunny day, it is a little cold, and walk around and do some of my favorite things. I hopped in an Uber really quick because I wanted to come over here to the Ferry Building and it was a little far to walk, but I want to get some coffee and a little late breakfast or early lunch. And look, there's the Bay Bridge in the background. Oh, I love the Ferry Building so much. I think it's so cute. I think that's called Treasure Island, and then here's a better look at the Bay Bridge. So the Bay Bridge used to have these lights all on the bridge, and they would light up based on the traffic levels and the water flow. So they were constantly like changing with their environment. I thought it was so cool, but just recently they were turned off because they all need to be redone and it's really expensive to do. And so I looked it up and I donated some money because they're obviously doing like fundraisers to make that happen. So I'll make sure I link that. So if you want to donate, you can. Those looked really good. I might go back and get one. We'll see. I only ever really come down to the Ferry Building in the morning. So this place, the soft serve, it looks so good, but I've never really gotten to try it because it's always too early to eat ice cream. I guess it never is, but you know what I mean. Just popping into the Frida store. I didn't want anything. It was one of those stores that just has a lot of like stuff. Like I'm not buying a gift for anyone. Not in the market for clay jewelry right now. So I didn't get anything, which is okay. I did, however, get empanadas. I got the lamb and the mushroom, and I'm gonna walk over to this little park to sit down and eat them, I think, unless I can't resist, then maybe. Oh, the wind in my hair. Unless maybe I can't resist, but I'm gonna try. It's not that far away. We're here. I'm gonna sit on these little concrete benches and I can look out at the bay. But here's the park, and here is the piece Cupid Span by Claes Oldenburg. He actually died last summer. So it's really sad, but I just love it. I've always loved it. I used to come to San Francisco a lot as a kid, and so maybe it just reminds me of that, I don't know. But you have the view of the bridge, the bay, and art. What more can you ask for? I'm gonna eat my empanadas and drink my coffee. Some people are filming a little something, something.
How's that? That look like what is that? A pork butt?
No, it's an empanada. Now I'm just gonna walk over to one of my favorite stores. It's like 2 miles away, but that's okay because it's such a nice day and I'm just enjoying myself. But I'm actually just passing Water Bar. It's this restaurant that I really love. It's midday, so they're not even open right now. But if you're coming to San Francisco, you should definitely try it. It is one of my favorites. And I like to go at nighttime. And it used to be a lot cooler when the Bay Bridge lights were on, because it was just really pretty to look at. But you should still go because it's really delicious. Hopefully the lights will be on soon though. This is super touristy, but usually I like to go down to the pier and go watch the sea lions for a little bit. I know, it's super touristy, but the aquarium is also right there. And I feel like it's like being at the aquarium for free. And I just like to check on them, you know, make sure they're doing well. I don't know, I just like it. But that is like 2 miles in the opposite direction, so I'm not gonna do that today. Open for another hour. I wasn't gonna go in, I don't have time today, but I've never been before, so I just wanted to walk by and check it out, so maybe next time. Oh my god, I did not know they were such big fans. They have a statue of me. I mean, they could have asked permission, jeez. There's all these people here. There must be like a conference over there or something, and I feel like they just think I'm crazy vlogging and insinuating that statues are made after me, even though I think it's like a funny joke. They have like professional jobs, and so. Okay, I am just getting to Union Square. Here's the I'll look there in just a minute, but I want to show you guys the rotunda. You can have lunch here, and it's so, ooh, okay, this is not happening with me, but look how pretty this is. And then up there's the restaurant. You can go have tea and lunch. I just feel like everybody is happy inside of Neiman Marcus. Like, it's just so beautiful here. I wish I looked better, but it was cold and I didn't pack warm enough clothing, so here I am. I don't know, it just smells good in here, and the people just look good in here. I can't help it. I just love Neiman Marcus. Bulldog so much, it makes me miss Hank. But I'll see him literally today, so I can't wait, I miss him. I really need some water, but coincidentally we are at my favorite French bakery, so how did that happen so coincidentally? So cute here. Just got a little treat in the water. It is such a nice day. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm not even hungry at all after those empanadas because they were so good, but I really needed a water and I couldn't resist. The life changing. Made it. So good. Hi, can I buy a lottery ticket?
What one?
Can I do the whatever one's at like 300 million? What is that?
How about 112? Maybe the Mega Million. Let's see.
That one.
Mega Million. How many?
Just $20 worth.
Good.
believe in
Thank
you. You'll
you.
get it this time.
Oh, thanks. I hope so too. So I'm almost to my favorite luxury consignment store. We don't have a lot of luxury consignment stores in Vegas, just one called The Refinery. And it's okay, but I just feel like here, there's just a lot more choices. Like people have older things, plus the prices are really good. I found a lot of really good pieces there, so yeah, I love shopping here. So I got a couple of really great things. Oh, and I love how they put fresh flowers on the bag. I just feel like that is such a cute little touch. Honestly, I am exhausted. I've walked around more than I ever do at home. I need more water because I drank all of mine. And I think I'm just gonna go back and rest before I need to pack and go to the airport tonight. But I really just had such a great day just walking around the city.